I like this one. This is the first person I got from the gallery that I liked. I remember walking through the, I guess it's called the Canada Life Centre, formerly the Budweiser Gardens, and formerly the John Labatt Centre in London, Ontario, and I ran into a guy that I used to work for. And at the time, I think I was leading up the efforts at Pacific Marine, bringing it to Eastern Canada, and him knowing what my network was like, he looked at me and he said, "We need to buy an insurance brokerage." And I said to him point blank, "I've made you rich once. I'm not going to make you rich again." And that was the end of the conversation. This is your shot. This is your opportunity. This is your opportunity to say, at the end of the day, am I going to end up with a gold watch or a pot of gold? And ownership is the key. There's really no nice way to say it. At the end of the day, when I think of the last 3 insurance jobs that I left with a check because I owned it. And that's kind of what it's like here. You know, I'm find myself at 55 or 60 years old, and it's about time I go spend some more time at my cottage up in Muskoka or wherever. But when you decided you're retired, it's more than a gold watch. Whether you sell the business to AI or whether you sell it to somebody else, ultimately you've got control of where that goes. And like I said, there's a far difference between deciding to retire and retiring with a very large check. And I can tell you, from the 3 times I've done it, it feels pretty good.